I'm Denton from Sun&Ski Sports, and I'm here today with Dylan, and we're going to be going over the accessories on the packing list.
First up is going to be your gloves, mittens, and your glove liners. My personal preference, I chose these Gore-Tex mitts from Burton. I like mittens over gloves. Keep your fingers together, a little bit warmer in my personal opinion, and they come with a pair of glove liners on their own.
No, you have to go with the glove. One, you have full dexterity in the fingers, and also the glove will allow you to go ahead and use the phone functions. It also has a nice little zipper right here for hot hands, so you can have added warmth. And if you really do need that extra layer of warmth, you can always add in a glove liner. Personally, I like the Serious Heat Waves. They're the warmest liners that we have, and they're our #1 seller from last season.
See, I agree with the glove liners. I went with these Power Stretch liners from Burton, but for me, these are my walk around town gloves, going to the lodge for my room, that kind of sort of thing. No matter what you guys choose for gloves or mitts, there's a couple things you want to keep in mind. First off is the temperature rating of that glove or mitt. Second thing is whether or not they're waterproof. And third thing is, it's always good to have an extra pair of glove liners to wear around town.
That wraps up our segment over gloves and mittens, and join us next time over more accessories on our packing list.